Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to replace GFCI receptacle in bathroom. Step 1, turn main power off and check with any meter if there is any power. Once you sure there's not any power, you can start working on it. Step 1, we're gonna take the cover plate off. To remove GFCI receptacle from electrical gang box, we need a Phillips screwdriver. So we're gonna remove two screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, and GFCI will come outside. Now that's really important. Before unwire old GFCI, we need to understand how will we wire up new one. As you can see, I have a GFCI in my hand, and the back side there are some letters. On the top it says line. The power coming from main breaker panel goes over here. At the bottom is load. All the receptacles controlled by this GFCI will connect it over here. Also you can see where we're gonna connect some wiring, like we have a holes or some screws. There's also some kind of letters on the side. It's one side it says hot, and like say this side, if I flip this side, I have a copper screw. It says hot over here. Also can be identified by just a physically look. If you see one side have a yellow color screws, copper, and other side have a white screw. So white screw side will go white wire like a neutral wire, and yellow side will go black wire. So that's simple. Now same thing as the GFCI I have installed is also say line and load all marking, and we will place wire from old one to new one as it says. If you want to mark it, we can mark it, but I know which one is line and which one load, so I'm gonna disconnect one by one and I'm gonna connect to the new GFCI. Once all wiring done, we're gonna turn main power on before we install this GFCI to the electrical gang box for test purpose. As you can see, I have a power on right now, and according to the green light status, this GFCI is working properly. For making sure, I will go to other receptacle and will check for voltage. I'm going to use T5600 clamp on fluke meter, and as I check with this receptacle, I see I have 125 voltage, so that means my GFCI is working. Now time to put this GFCI back to electrical gang box. I'm going to use same method, Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna tighten those two screws to hold the GFCI with the gang box. Then will be the final step, installing faceplate, and we will test again for a GFCI is working properly. If it's a tripping when we press to the test mode. Now we install the faceplate and the time to test if it's tripping at the test mode. As I test it working properly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.